Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform hard reset of your Sony LinkBuds. Okay, so first of all we have to open the Sony headphones application and let them connect. So to make it, just take them out of the case. I'm gonna change the brightness level of the screen because it's definitely too bright. Okay, and when they are not connected automatically, you can just tap right here. As you can see, after a few seconds we are successfully connected. So another step that's very simple, we have to just go for System tab and open this settings. As you can see right here, we can reset headphones to the default state, and also we can make it with the app and headphone settings. So to perform the hard reset, we have to select this option. That's the information. Click here, tap OK, and as you can see, it's finished. That was really fast, as you can see. That's how we can make this reset of this device. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.